the channel, guys. I'll be making today some donuts, and I'll be showing you the ingredient that I have to make those donuts. I want to make some homemade donuts, and I prefer to do this method at home. Sometimes I don't want to eat donuts from the shop. I just want to make them at home. So this is a recipe that I learned from a friend of mine, all right, who used to run a small business selling donuts. And his name was Gaby. So I will show you what I'll be using for that. So this is very easy to make, guys. You're gonna need. I'll be using 2 cups of flour. 2 cups of flour, and then I got here. This is around like a cup of warm water. So in that warm water, we're gonna put the yeast. I got some yeast here. I'm only gonna use half of the package, not the whole package. So I will show you how to do it. See? Only half. All right, that's half. All right, and then you're gonna add some sugar. You can add, that will depend how much sugar you will like. In my case, I'm gonna put some sugar on the yeast along with the warm water. Maybe like a cup of, no, I put around maybe like 1 tablespoon of white sugar there already. So I'm gonna put some sugar here on the flour. All right. Then I'm gonna let this yeast sit down here for a while. I'm gonna stir her up and let it sit for a while. We're gonna set it aside. All right. Stir it up a little, and then set it aside. So we're gonna use it later. All right, let's set it aside for a little time. So, at the meantime, already we got the flour here. We got the flour and we got the sugar. But the powdered sugar, we're gonna use it for later. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some of the oil, the oil and the egg now, along with the flour. All right. Stir it up a little first. Mix it together. All right. You can also, you can put a little bit of cinnamon. That's optional. You don't have to. You don't want. I'm only gonna put a little drizzle. That's it. Make like a little crate in the middle so you can put the rest of the ingredient. So you make like a little crate. Then put a little oil. I put around like 1 tablespoon of oil. I guess is enough. All right. And then put the whole egg. And then I'm gonna put the mixture of the warm water, the yeast, and the sugar. All right. All right. A little more. All right, that's enough, I guess. You have to stir up the dough until it leaves the sides. I think I'm gonna add a little more flour now. Alright. Add a little more flour for the dusting. So now we're gonna start making the dough. Then what we're gonna do, now that it's, we made the dough now it's ready. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna wrap it up and let it raise for around like an hour. All right. So I'm gonna put this aside. I'm gonna wrap it up and put it aside. I'm gonna wrap it up. I have another dog that I made that is already ready. I did the same process, but it's ready. So I have another dog here. I have another dog ready to go. And this one we're gonna set it aside. We're gonna set it aside for an hour. But this one is already. It's ready, but we're gonna use that one. Alright. This one is ready. So we're gonna use this one. Do now, we're gonna put some dust in here. All right. We're gonna start working with it. You see how nice? Like a pillow. All right. Okay, how nice. This is amazing. All right. So we're gonna start shaping them up, and then. All right. So I got my cutting board here. So as I keep cutting, I'm gonna keep putting them here on the cutting board. All right. Our cutting board here. I'm gonna put some flour here. All right. So it's easy for us to work. All right. So I'm gonna show you how to. I'm gonna cut a few, and then I'm gonna cut a few, and then later we're gonna fry them up. I'm gonna cut a few, show you how to make a few of them, at least 2, and then the rest we're gonna fry them. All right. You like that? Use this one, the tips of your fingers. So what I do, I just roll them up with my hands like this. Roll them up. And then link the ends together, you see? Just like when you're playing Play-Doh. See? Like that. Alright. You like that? Then you link the edge. See the ends? Together. See? Like that. Show you one more time. If you want also, you can do it like that. You can also use a cutter. I don't use a cutter. I prefer to do it like this. So there you go, guys. There's one more. So I'm gonna keep making more donuts, and we're gonna show you later how we're gonna fry them after this. All right. So I let the donut raise for at least an hour, and now we're gonna deep fry them now. So I got the oil here. They're ready to fry already. So I'm gonna start frying them now. All right. Start with this one. Hey, you see how they swing? You see how happy they are? How happy they are to swing. Lower the fire a little. Medium now. See? Look at that. They're sizzling. I don't know if you guys can hear that sound, but they're sizzling. Now we're gonna turn them around the way they will burn. Just cook them until they are golden brown. When they're golden brown, they're ready. They're cooked very fast. And this one is ready. You can see. See, ready. So we're gonna put them here in a bowl. I got a bowl here next to me. All right. The donuts are ready, guys. All the donuts are ready. So I got three. I'm having three swimming, and I got the rest here. So check it out, guys. Check out those donuts. Then I'm gonna put the rest now. Check it out. Look at how beautiful they are. Oh, check out how big they get. See? All right. Now we're gonna put powdered sugar because this kind of donut go with powdered sugar. So we're gonna now put some powdered sugar on it. Got powdered sugar here. I'm gonna put powdered sugar. Alright. I'm gonna put powdered sugar. And then we're gonna toss the donuts with the powdered sugar all together. What is that? Oh, okay, I'll put a little more. All right. Look it out, guys. Winter Wonderland is here. All right. Check it out. Check out that donut, how it looked like. Look at that. Wow. Look at that donut, man. All right, guys, this is for you. Look at that. That donut is for you. Look at that. Look at how big, how nice, how fluffy. All right, guys. And it's a very easy recipe. You can do this pretty much with most of the things that you have at home. And the ingredients are not really expensive. They're very affordable, very easy to make. No rocket science. So, guys, I wanted to share this for you because I wanted to eat donut. Oh, I want to eat it with my friend. I said, I want to eat with my family and you too. I want, I love you guys so much. Yeah, whatever is mine is yours. You know how it is. Take care, guys. I love you, and a big kiss with everybody. Bye bye.